Does your voice recording sound good but the background noise ruins it? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the voice recorder app has a feature called Audio Eraser. It lets you reduce or remove background noise directly from your recording without needing any extra app. Let me show you how to use it. First, open Voice Recorder app. Tap Voice Recording. On the playback bar, tap Audio Eraser. As you can see, the phone will process the audio automatically. And just that, Audio Eraser analyzes your recording and tries to separate your voice and background sound like noise, wind, or environment. Then it reduces the unwanted sound while keeping your voice clearer. This is very useful for voice note, interviews, meeting, or quick content recording. Given to the function, Audio Eraser is a simple but powerful feature in the voice recorder app. With just one tap, you can make your recording sound much cleaner, like on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.